Oh, I wanna go for a walk, it's so boring. You don't know me, where are you? Open the door, please.
Oh, what the hell are you doing here?
Open the door, please.
You wanna go for a little walk?
Yeah, I wanna do my first flight, I promise I won't do any tricks.
Okay, okay. Watch your voltage, boy, and don't stay out too long, my boy.
I will not crash and I promise I will watch my voltage. Oh, the sun is so bright. I want to fly, I want to fly, I want to fly.
Oh, see you later, boy.
Connect my battery.
Oh, you need your battery.
Yeah, that's right. Power. I love power. Bye bye, you don't know me. He told me I must not fly high. Okay, okay. The neighborhood is beautiful, but it's a little bit cold. Let's fly into the wood. Where is this way going at? I am so fast, Mew, haha. Luckily I got TBS Crossfire, otherwise I would lose signal here. I am far away from home. I am a little bit scared without YDKM. I think I should return at this little building. Oh shit, no tricks? I could take a shortcut over the trees, but I shouldn't fly high, he said. Don't love the way he said, but I want to fly during this trees really bad, please don't tell you didn't know me. Yay! Woo, that's funny, but now let's fly home. I don't want to get stressed. I will better take this shortcut. Oh, that was close, shish. Yeah, that's the right way, I'm home soon. YDKM, I'm coming. I'm coming. Here I am. Let's ring.
Oh, the bell. Is the boy right back? It was a short walk. I hope he's fine.
Hi.
There you are. I get you right back in.
I am boring now. I want to go to bed.
It's fucking cold outside. Hello guys, look what I arrived today. The Team Black Ship package I ordered. I need a knife. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Okay, with one hand, it's freaking hard to open a package. What do we have here? This is the TBS Crossfire Nano receiver. This is a second TBS Crossfire Nano receiver. This is the third TBS Crossfire Nano receiver. This is the TBS Diamond antenna. It's pretty small. I thought it should be a little bit bigger. This is an ND filter for my GoPro. This is also ND filter, and here is the TBS Crossfire, the big one. There's some long range stuff coming. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm excited how the lower latency will feel like, if I will recognize it or not. Haha. Flips the down from my Tyrannus. Awesome, that's it. See you in the next video or later. Bye.